Bitcoin closed above the Kumo cloud again at 77K. And the last two times this happened, the retest was the real buy zone. Hey everyone, Dollar Currency 21 back again. Today, we look at BTC and Ethereum, and we'll start with Bitcoin. Also, follow me on Twitter, Dollar Currency 21. I post my updates there. Link below. Quick one before the charts. I run a free VIP Telegram where I bot track whale wallets and their longs and shorts. It's free. Link in the description. So back in January 2023, on the daily, we broke above the Como cloud around $20,900. The Como cloud basically shows support and resistance zone. So that break was a big deal. We pumped to 25K, and after that, we came back and retested the Kijun and the same cloud area at 19 to 20K. That retest was the real buy zone. And after it, we went to new ATH highs, you know? I'll call that old brick level the scene of the crime, like the big legend got sold away, you know? Because the retest of it was the trade, you know? Uh, and the same thing happened in 2019. We broke above the cloud around 5K, pumped to 13K, and everyone thought the bull market was forever. Then the COVID crash came and we collapsed right back to that same 5K level. Yeah, we tested the 3,800, but the 5K was actually the zone you could buy Bitcoin. Okay. And that retest was again a massive buy zone before the big bull run happened. So the pattern is simple. First, the break above the cloud, then the retest. And that retest is the trade. Now, on the current daily, we just closed above the cloud again at $77,000. And look how fast this last move was. We went from 63K to 77K in a few weeks. The 10 can crossed above the Kijun, so that's bullish for me. And the cloud is close to really close to turning bullish too in the next 2 or 3 days. Okay, but we're approaching the 80 to $83,000 resistance zone, and the top of the cloud is near 70K. So I'll watch two scenarios. One, a correction back to 70K, the old brick level, and for me, that's the buy zone again. Two, scenario two, a close above $82,700, okay, around that area. Then I buy the breakout and target 90K. Personally, I already accumulated BTC around $59,700 and again near $63,000. So I'm ready for both the pullback or the breakout, you know? If you like this kind of analysis, like the video and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot, guys. And on the weekly, we're inside a big ascending channel. The top line held the 2021 highs and the 2025 high. And the bottom line held the 2022 lows, you know? Right now, we are sitting around the channel midline at 77K, and this midline acts as resistance before, you know? And the Senko span B is right near the same level. So, the correction risk is real here. If we get rejected here, 70K stays my buy zone, and that's why I don't chase the pump. And Ethereum is basically in the same situation. We're at the $2,425 again, okay? Testing the upper edge of the ascending channel right near the previous local high. The midline is around $2,000 and it lines up with the daily promo top. So, two scenarios again. One, a pullback to $2,000 as a buy zone. Two, a break above 2,500 with a flat Kijun and cloud. And that's a bullish signal for me. If we break out, my next target is $3,300 and 4,400 if momentum continues. I already hold some Ethereum and I add at 2,000 if we get it. So quick recap. BTC broke above the cloud again. I watched 70K for the retest and 82.7K for the breakout. The weekly midline says correction risk is real and Ethereum watch 2000 or a break above 2500. Are you bullish or bearish? Tell me in the comments. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me on Twitter and subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Bye.
Streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been